The stuck-on connecting screen in Fortnite means your game client can't establish a stable connection with Epic Games servers. This prevents you from reaching the main menu or joining a match. This is fundamentally a network issue, authentication failure, device-specific issue, or server-side delay. Authentication failures happen when your login is disrupted due to invalid tokens or server bugs. Network issues include weak Wi-Fi, ISP throttling, or firewall restrictions. Device-specific problems involve outdated game files or operating system incompatibilities, such as Windows 11 updates. Server-side delays can occur during live events or tournaments, causing timeouts due to overloaded servers. As of November 2025, this is still a common problem, particularly during updates or server maintenance. Epic Games' status page often reflects these outages, especially affecting login servers in North America and Europe. While fixes are usually quick, recurring issues persist due to the game's global server load during peak hours. To fix the stuck-on connecting screen in Fortnite, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps. We'll start with the basics and move to more advanced solutions. First, restart your device. This clears temporary glitches and refreshes the connection. Next, test your internet connection with a tool like speedtest.net to ensure it's stable and fast enough. Third, verify Fortnite's server status on Epic Games' website. Check for any outages, as shown in this recent outage report graph. If the servers are operational, proceed with these advanced troubleshooting solutions. Switch to a wired Ethernet connection if possible, as Wi-Fi can be unreliable. Temporarily disable your firewall or VPN, as they may block the connection. Clear Fortnite's cache files to remove any corrupted data. Update Fortnite and your operating system to the latest versions for compatibility. Change your DNS servers to Google's public DNS, like 8.8.8.8. This helped many Reddit users during the Fortnite Fracture event in December 2024. On mobile devices, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to bypass network issues. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Fortnite to fix any corrupted files. If the problem continues, reach out to Epic Games support for personalized assistance. With these steps, you should be back in the game soon.